All right, today I'm going to show you how to make the white balsamic vinaigrette from the Stonebridge Restaurant in Milford, Connecticut. Here's your ingredient list. You could hit pause and write it down or come back to it later. So we're going to get started by adding everything except for the oil. That's the white balsamic vinegar, the chopped red onion. The next ingredient is fresh thyme. This is the ingredient that you cannot substitute or skimp out on. This is what makes the dressing. Dried thyme will not work. 2 or 3 garlic cloves, depending on how big they are. There goes our sugar, our Dijon mustard. All of this is going to get blended up nice and smooth. Once that's blended up smooth, you're going to go ahead and start to drizzle in your olive oil and canola oil mix. Any neutral oil will work. The extra virgin olive oil is what gives it that little extra gold color and that extra flavor, so don't want to skimp on that one either. So that comes together very nicely, rather quickly. You could also use a hand blender or a Cuisinart, and then you are going to be left with a beautiful gold-colored white balsamic vinaigrette. Put it in a jar. It's going to last you 2 to 3 weeks. Shake it up before you use it. Enjoy.